This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Open house, Saturday 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Welcome home to this move-in ready 1-bedroom, 1-bath upper level condo. Great location in popular Progress Ridge. Open great room, high ceilings, gas fireplace plus balcony. Very well maintained with new carpet and interior paint. Kitchen includes refrigerator, oven/range and microwave. Utility room includes washer/dryer. Park in the oversized garage west/storage. Enjoy all the amenities that Progress Ridge has to offer: great restaurants, New Seasons, shops, Ace Hardware, Big Al's, lake and trails. You won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the details.